All right, guys, we have our 60-second hard request up today. This is Still by Lionel Richie. You can look it up on YouTube. Let's hear it. All right, guys, how you doing? I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here in a minute. All the lessons for this, as well as thousands of other lessons I've made over the past 11 years, are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all mobile devices, fast streaming for everyone. Even if you are a complete beginner, I have lessons for you. There's 50 easy piano lessons I have on there that will start you off from the very beginning if you don't know anything about piano or music, but would like to. And let's get to this part 1 lesson here. This is a live version. It's Still by Lionel Richie. He was just all over the radio when I was a kid. So the left hand's going to start with a D flat octave. So here's middle C, I'm below that. Then the right hand will come in afterwards with an A flat below middle C, then a D flat, and then E flat, F, A flat. I'll use 3, 4, 5 for that. Then back to the A flat on the thumb. So it's 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. So you hold that chord a little bit, da da da, hold. Then you keep going to the next measure. On there you have A flat, D flat, and then you'll have E flat and G flat with 3 and 5 that you'll hold, and then back to A flat. So it's okay. Now you're going to do that 2 times. Okay. So here's the second time. 3, 4, and 3, 4. Then the singing starts. Lady. So in the left hand we'll continue with our D flat octave. I just wrote 1 D flat just to make the board a little simpler. And on the right hand we'll just have straight 8th notes. Bum, 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 bum. Just one hand position there. G flat on your 5th finger, A flat on your thumb. Then we have D flat, E flat with fingers 2, 3, F with finger 4, and then A flat, D flat, E flat again. So it's 1 and 2. Add your D flats in your left hand. Lady. And of course it continues the next measure there. But there's your part 1 lesson. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And I'll see you on the website and we'll finish it. Talk to you guys later.